Welcome to the next tutorial. In this video, we are going to see how to configure Virtual Samba Server on CentOS 7. Virtual Samba Server is nothing but running two or more instances of Samba Server on a single hardware. In some cases, we require two or more Samba servers for our environment for sharing the different data for different organizations. For example, in my case, I have two teams in my organization. I want to share files separately for these two teams. So I will need to set up two individual Samba server for these two teams. For this case, we require two hardware for setting up two Samba server. So Virtual Samba Server is a solution for setting up two or more Samba servers on a single hardware. So let me show you how to set up this Virtual Samba Server. Now let's install the package for Samba Server. Type the command m space install space samba space -y and hit enter. Now the package is installing. Wait for some time. Now you can see this is my machine where I am going to set up Samba server, and then this is my client machine where I am going to access Samba server. Now the packages are installed. Next I am going to create two different directories for sharing the files between two different teams. And I will create two user. Next I am going to set the ownership. So type the command chown space -R space red hat space / directory name red hat and set for second directory also Ubuntu and then directory name /Ubuntu. Now set the SLNS context for these two directories chown space -RT space samba underscore share underscore t and space directory. Now the directory is created and ready for sharing. Here you can see these are the directories I am going to share. I am going to create two virtual Samba share for sharing these two directories. Now let's open the Samba configuration file. Vim space /etc /samba /smb.conf. Now here search for global. Now go to this line in your Samba configuration file and here type the entry as follows. Now type entry like this. Here we need to mention the name for two different teams, and then I am going to create two different configuration files for these two Samba share, including the name of /etc /samba /smb.conf.redhat and then .ubuntu. Now save and close the file and let's create these two configuration. Vim space /etc /samba /smb.conf.redhat and here create the entry as follows. Now create this entry. This entry is for first virtual Samba server. Now save and exit the file. Here I will create a configuration file in the wrong name. It should be red hat as I mentioned in the Samba configuration file. So let's rename the file. You have to create this new configuration file as in the same name of you have mentioned in the Samba configuration. Now create the second configuration in the name of Ubuntu as we mentioned in Samba configuration, and here create the entry. Now save and close the file. Next we need to add the users into Samba password. Type the command smb password space -a space username and set the password here. Same like add the Samba password for second user Ubuntu and enable the user. Just replace here -e instead of -a. And next we need to open the firewall. Type the command firewall -cmd space -permanent space -add service equal to Samba and reload the firewall. Now all thing is set for Samba. The final thing is we need to start the Samba service. Before going to start the service, let's go to the client machine and install the Samba client packages. Now install these packages on your client machine. Wait for some time. After installing the package, run the command smb client space -L space / and then Samba server IP address. Now enter your root password. It will not connect. Why means we are not started Samba service on our server side. Now go to your Samba server and start the service. And enable the service. Now you can check from client side. Now run this command. Now you can able to see Samba share. Here you can see the 3 different Samba servers, which means this one is the main server I have installed in this machine, and then these are the 2 virtual Samba servers I have created on the same machine. So this is how we can able to create virtual Samba servers on CentOS 7. Hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching.